Welcome to day 3. Now today is the day many people start noticing changes in their digestion. And let me tell you, cloves are infamous for this. In ancient writings, cloves were used to freshen the breath, calm the stomach, and prepare the digestive system before meals. They ignited digestion in a gentle, natural way. So here's what you might feel today. You might feel less bloating, smoother digestion, less heaviness after eating, and sometimes reduced cravings. And don't forget, this isn't a diet. This is just stewardship. You're giving your digestion the support it needs to what God designed it to do. So comment down below, day 3, feeling the gut shift. And tomorrow, we're talking about cravings and energy, my personal favorites. If you're wondering how you can learn more about the Bible diet and how you can learn just all of the different scriptures that talk about food, that would be the Treasures of Healthy Living Bible Study. You could do it by yourself, you could do it as a family, you could do it as a group in your church. We even have videos to go along with it, so you can just get so much rich teaching from Genesis to Revelation. What does the Bible say about healthy living? The other book that is my favorite is The 7 Foods of the Promised Land. I talk a lot about dates, but there are 7 foods that give such an exponential effect to your health, both physically and spiritually. And why did God choose those specific 7 foods? So I hope you check out 7 Foods of the Promised Land, and the recipes in the back, I promise you, will delight your palate.